Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about 400 watt parking lot upgrades. We have both a retrofit and new fixture options. In the retrofit line, we actually have a unit designed specifically to retrofit a 16-inch shoebox, or we have our universal, works in any fixture upgrade kit. They all come with a driver, and the universal also comes with a bracket. In our new fixtures, it really gets back to your style. We have our traditional square shoebox fixture, or we have our LED versions. It really gets back to your preference and what you have. They all come with arm, slip fitter, or trunnion bracket. We go on a round or square pole. Many of them come with a NEMA socket and photocell if that's required. We actually have a version that has a field installable motion sensor. So give us a call today. Let us know what types of fixtures you're working with, and we'll make some recommendations to you. And so have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.